Hey there, fellow adventurers. Welcome back to Travel Vibe, the channel that takes you on incredible journeys around the world. Today, we have something truly special in store for you. We're heading to the breathtaking shores to explore the magical world of beach camping. So, grab your sunscreen, towel, and let's dive in. Beach camping is a fantastic way to combine the joys of camping with the soothing ambience of the ocean. It's all about immersing yourself in nature's playground while enjoying the tranquility of the beach. First things first, setting up camp. Beach camping is relatively easy, but it does require some unique considerations. Start by selecting a suitable spot away from high tide lines and potential hazards. You want to ensure your tent is secure and stable on the soft sand. Once your cozy beach home is all set up, it's time to dive into the fun. Beach camping offers endless possibilities for activities. You can relax on the warm sand, take refreshing dips in the sparkling water, or simply soak up the sun and enjoy the soothing sound of waves. As the day winds down and the stars begin to twinkle above, it's time for one of the most cherished traditions of beach camping, building a bonfire. Gather some driftwood, create a cozy fire pit, and let the flames dance as you roast marshmallows, share stories, and create lasting memories with friends and family. One of the greatest rewards of beach camping is experiencing the breathtaking beauty of sunrise. Set your alarm early, find a comfortable spot on the sand, and witness nature's masterpiece unfold as vibrant colors fill the sky. It's a magical moment you'll never forget, and there you have it, fellow travelers. Beach camping offers a unique blend of adventure, relaxation, and natural beauty. So, if you're looking for a serene escape from the hustle and bustle of daily life, grab your camping gear and head to the nearest beach. Trust me, the experience will leave you rejuvenated and connected with nature. Thank you for joining us on this incredible beach camping journey. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications, so you never miss our next exciting adventure. Until then, keep exploring and keep the travel vibes alive. This is Travel Vibe, signing off.